Corn plant has both male and female flowers on the same plant. The male flowers are at the top of the plant, which produce 2 to 5 million pollen grains when they open. The corn ears are the female flowers having silk or hair. Each silk is attached to a kernel inside the stalk. Each silk needs a pollen for pollination. Pollination starts 2 to 3 days after silk emergence and continues for about a month. The corn plant is pollinated by wind when the pollen from the top flower falls on the silk. This is easily achieved when the corn plants are planted close to each other. In the absence of wind, you can hand pollinate your corn plants. When to hand pollinate corn flowers? Correct timing of pollination is important. Begin to pollinate as soon as the tassel begins to open to drop pollen grains. Corn hand pollination. Pollination method 1. Just shake the plant. This will drop the pollen grains from the male flowers on the female silk. Pollination method 2. Collect the pollens in a paper bag and drop them on the silk. Pollination method 3. You can cut the male tassel and wipe it on the silk several times. You can use one tassel to pollinate many silks. Repeat the hand pollination for 10 days. If it rains for a day, you have to pollinate again. How to know if the corn has pollinated? When pollinated, the silk turns brown and becomes dry and begin to fall. Open the husk slightly at the top. The darkened silk will fall in case of pollination. Silks that are still attached to the kernels are yet to be pollinated. Missing kernels in a cob. I open this corn ear. This has many missing kernels at the top portion. This shows that the silk attached to these kernels had not received pollen and not pollinated.